Yo, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was question 54 on the math section of ACT 72E. Ooh, pause the video! No, seriously, why don't you pause the video and take a crack at it yourself? Then when you're done, you can unpause the video, watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be tight, because we're getting in there. It reads, the dimensions shown below are in feet. Oh, thanks. What is the area in square feet of the shaded rectangle? And then if I look at the figure, I got the top side is 18, the left side is 12. Oh, and then at the bottom it says 2x, and then there's another x floating around. Well, I've never seen a rectangle that was 2x wide, so I'm going to pick a number for x. How about 2? Seems sort of realistic. So then this bottom edge is 4, and this other little lip right here is 2. Okay, cool. So then what would I know about this shaded rectangle? Well, if the full top side is 18, but that bottom lip is 4, then what's left over is 14. So the top side of the shaded rectangle is 14. And how about this other dimension? Well, the whole left side is 12, minus that little lip hanging over of 2, so then that's 10. Alright, well then the shaded rectangle is 14 by 10. What would the area be? Length times width? 140. Oh man, but none of the answer choices say 140. Not yet, they don't. But we chose a value for x. 2. So let's go in and eliminate all the answer choices that don't give us 140. F, 2x squared. X squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Not even close. So it's not F. And then we go to G. Aw, man. It's a bummer I have to do this in my head. No, I don't. We live in an exciting time. Bust out that calculator. Okay, so let's enter it in. 2x squared, we already decided, is 8 minus 48 times 2 plus 216 equals 128. Not 140. Bye, G. H. We have 8 minus 42 times 2 plus 216 equals 140. Cool. All right. Well, let's go through and make sure that's the only one that gives us 140. Because maybe we just happen to pick a funky number that worked for more than one answer choice. J. 216 minus 8. So that's 208. No. And then K gives us 216 minus 3 times 2 is 6. So 210. All right, the answer is H. Sweet! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.